Yeah.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Hey guys.
So really quickly, we want to talk to you about Marice Tobias, and especially this is designed for a lot of the folks that have come through the OTM program. And as you know, 90% of the commercials that we do and that you're going to do are American. So understanding the American read is absolutely quintessential to moving into the market and getting the jobs you need to get. And I think personally, for those of you who have studied with me, what I aim at. She takes it just another degree further and really pinpoints your branding. And really pinpoints, the intimate read that is becoming emblematic in the American market right now in voiceover. Mm-hmm. So I think it would really help you guys. It's once in a year opportunity, And she doesn't normally teach students, but because she knows the caliber of OTM students, that she's willing to teach a more student class.
This is the advanced student tip of the iceberg workshop.
Exactly.
That she's doing. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I mean, Noel and I still use her to this day. She's at the top of the food chain when it comes to voiceover education and just working with the best of the best in the world, the best in Los Angeles and all around the U.S. and Canada. And she still is just like amazing. I mean, every time I have coaching with her, I'm just like, wow.
Yeah, likewise.
You totally brought that up and that understanding up another notch for me. And I've been doing this over 20 years, same with Noel. So very worthwhile for you to come in and do it. And she's going to be here all week, actually, because she's doing a pro weekend, the second weekend, which is October 27, 28. The tip of the iceberg one that we're talking about today is October 20th, 21st. Yeah. But during the week, she'll be here doing private coaching and stuff like that, which will be really cool opportunity. But these are things that make you go deeper, and you spend a bit of money, but one commercial campaign, one job will pay for this, and you're away to the races.
Yeah, if you switch your read on one thing, it's paid for itself.
Yeah. So that's October 20th and 21st, and you can look for it on our website under the events. Just scroll down on the homepage and check it out, and hope you dig it.
Yeah, we'll see you there.
Cheers.